Alright, today's video is how to repair some visors in your Jeep. You can see both of this one, the rubber's broken right here, so it doesn't mount up in there, it doesn't stay put anymore. You can see it right here too. This one's completely gone. This happens a lot if you're moving these out of the way to get the sunroof back or to get the top down. And it's a pretty easy fix, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'll put a link. You can find a pack of them for about $6 on Amazon, and it's a pretty simple process. You can do it with both of these in place, but the easiest way is if you just unscrew from right here. You can take the whole visor out, and then you can do it out of the car. All right, both of these two screws right here are T20 fitting. So just grab your bit, unscrew both of those. And here comes the part that a little bit of leverage helps. Pull it apart, pull the pin to one side. Pull it like that. Now just take your new rubber, slide it over the pin, and then just put the pin back in. Now you got your new rubber on. Now all you gotta do is screw the visor back in.